Hello, this is the lecture number 2 for the chapter probability for the class 11th, and the last lecture we have done up to question number 6 of the first exercise. In question number 7, one die of the red color die is there, and we have the white color die and one of the blue color die. And they are placed in a bag. So one die is selected at random and rolled. Its color is noted down on its uppermost face. We have to write the sample space. So we are taking only one die. So it can be red color die with the number 1, red color die with the number 2, red color die with the number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. We can have the white color die with the number 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5, and white color die with the number 6. Or we can have blue color die with the number 1, blue color die with the 2, blue color die with the 3, blue color die with the 4, blue 5, and blue 6. So this is the sample space when there are 3 dies of different colors and we are taking out only one die. So this is the question number 7. Now in question number 8, what it says that an experiment consisting of recording a boy-girl combination in the family with 2 children. So there are 2 children in the family. What is sample space? We are interested in knowing whether it is a boy or a girl. So we have 2 children in the family. So they both can be boys. The first can be boy and the second can be girl. The both can be girls, and the first girl, second boy. According to the age we are writing, elder is a boy, younger is a boy, elder is a boy, younger is a girl, elder is a girl, younger is a girl, elder is a girl, and younger is a boy. In the second case, you have to know whether how many girls are in the family. What is sample space? How many girls in the family? So because there are 2 children, so how many girls can be there? At most 2. So there can be 0 girl in the family, there can be 1 girl in the family, there can be 2 girls in the family. In the first, you have to find what is the possibility whether it is a boy or a girl in the family, and in the second case you have to find the number of girls in the family. So there can be 0 girls in the family, 1 girl in the family, 2 girls in the family, because maximum there are 2 children in the family. So this is the question number 8. In the 9, a box have 1 red and 3 identical white balls. So there is 1 red ball and we have white. How many? We have white 3. And 2 balls are drawn random in succession without replacement, bina replace kare. So write the sample space for that. So because we are not replacing it, so we can have first red, second white, first white, second red, and first white, second white also. Because without replacing we are doing it. We cannot have red because in the bag we have only 1 red, and we have taken out the first red ball, and we are taking out the second ball. When the first ball is not replaced in it, the second ball cannot be red. So this is the question number 9. In 10, an experiment consists of tossing a coin and throwing it second time. Coin and throwing it second time if the head appears. If the tail on the first, then we have thrown a die. So tail pe we are throwing a die. So tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 5, tail 6. And when we are getting a head on the coin, when throwing a coin again, it can be head tail. तो tail आने पर die throw कर रहे हैं, head आने पर दोबारा coin throw कर रहे हैं. Question number 11. Suppose there are 3 bulbs selected at random from a lot. Each bulb is tested and classified as D for the defective, and non-defective we have writing it as N. So you have to write the sample space for that 3 bulbs. तो 3 bulbs can be क्या हो सकते हैं? डिफेक्टिव, तीनों डिफेक्टिव, फर्स्ट डिफेक्टिव, सेकंड डिफेक्टिव, तीसरा नॉन डिफेक्टिव, फर्स्ट डिफेक्टिव, सेकंड नॉन डिफेक्टिव, देन डिफेक्टिव, नॉन डिफेक्टिव, और इट कैन बी ऑल 3 नॉन डिफेक्टिव, defective, defective. It is just same as for the 3 coins, head or tail. We have only 2 possibility, defective or non-defective. That is the question number 11. Now in question number 12, what it says that in question number 12, a coin is tossed. If it comes out to be head, its head आने पर we are throwing it a die throw करते हैं. तो head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. And if the die turns up to be even, अगर die पर even number आता है, so we are throwing the die again. And for the tail we are doing nothing. For the tail, we are doing nothing. So when we are getting an even number on the die, so we are throwing the die again. So it can be 2 1, head 2 2, head 2 3, head 2 4, head 2 5, head 2 6, head 4 1, head 4 2, head 4 3, head 4 4, head 4 5, head 4 6, head 6 1, head 6 2, head 6 3, head 6 4, head 6 5, head 6 6. This is the sample space when the coin is thrown, and if a die is head is obtained, we throw a die, and if on a die we are getting an even number, we are throwing a die again. So even numbers aane par we are throwing a die again, and tail par nothing. So this is a sample space for this question number 12. Now for question number 13, what we have, the number 1 2 3 4 are written on a 4 slips of paper. 1 2 3 4 4 slips पर ये हमारे पास numbers लिखे हुए हैं, and their slips are put in the box and mixed thoroughly. A person draw a 2 slip from the box one after the other without replacement. So what is the sample space? तो sample space क्या आएगा? 1 2 1 3 1 4. What it means that one number on the first slip and 2 on the second. It cannot be 1 1 because we are taking out 2 slips without replacement. So both number cannot be 1 1. Similarly, 1 2 1 1 or 2 1 2 3. We can have 2 4, 3 1, 3 2, 3 4. We can have 4 1, 4 2, 4 3. We cannot have 4 4 because we are taking out 2 slips without replacement. So this is the sample space for that. Now in 14, an experiment consists of rolling a die and then tossing a coin once if the number on the die is even. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the possibility on the die, and it is showing that if tossing a coin, if the number on the die is even number आने पर हम coin throw करते हैं. तो it can be 2 head, 2 tail, 4 head, 4 tail, 6 head, 6 tail. And if the number of the die is odd, अगर ये odd आता है, then twice. तो 1 3 5 पर twice the coin is tossed. So it can be 1 head head, 1 head tail, 1 tail tail, 1 tail head. So here 3 head head, 3 head tail, 3 tail tail, 3 tail head, 5 head head, 5 head tail, 5 tail tail, 5 tail head. So these are the possibilities or the sample space when a die is thrown. If we are getting a even number, we have thrown a coin only once, and when we are getting a odd numbers, we have thrown the coin 2 times. So this is a sample space. In question number 15, a coin is tossed. If it shows a tail, we draw a ball from the box containing 2 red and 3 black ball. If it is a head, we throw a die. तो tail आने पर, head आने पर, तो we are throwing a die. Head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. And when we are getting a tail, we are drawing a ball from a box containing red and black. So red, if a tail on the coin, it can be first red ball from the bag because there are 2 red, so it can be second red ball. If we are taking out, it can be first black ball tail, it can be second black ball tail, it can be third black ball. So this is a sample space. When the head is obtained on the coin, we are throwing a die and we are getting a tail. Then we are taking out a ball from the box or a bag containing 2 red and 3 black balls. So tail, it can be first red ball, tail, it can be second red ball, tail, it can be first black ball, tail, it can be second black ball, tail, it can be third black ball. So this is the question number 15. Now our die, in question number 16, a die is thrown repeatedly until we get a 6. Until we get a 6. So what is the sample space for that? So in this book, the solution written somewhat difficult way. If you write like this, a sample space for a die when it's thrown until we get a 6. So we can have 6. It's completed because we don't have to throw it again, but it can be, we cannot get a 6 in the first throw. We can have a 6 like this. or like this, first throw पर 6 नहीं आया, first throw पर 6 we are not getting, we are getting 6 on the third, or 6 not in the first throw, 6 not in the second throw, 6 not in the third throw, 6 not in the fourth throw, we can add 6 up in the fifth throw and up to an infinity. So this is the sample space. पहले पे 6 आ गया, हम आगे बढ़ाना ही नहीं है. और we cannot have 6 on the first throw, or we can, or not 6 का मतलब we can have 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ पर है पहले थ्रो पर 1 2 3 4 5 आ सकता है, सेकंड थ्रो पर 1 2 3 5, थर्ड थ्रो पर 6 आ गया, एंड दिस विल गोज ऑन अंटिल वी आर गेटिंग अ 6 in a particular throw. So this is the exercise based on the sample space of any random experiment in the first exercise. In the second exercise, based on the union, intersection, complement events, mutual exclusive events, and like that, we have already discussed in the first lecture. In question number 1 of second exercise, a die is rolled. So die is rolled में sample space आप लिखेंगे. Sample space is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is the event the die shows the 4? Event हमें दे रखे, dice आपको 4 शो करता है. F event given है, the die shows even number, तो 2 4 6. This is the event of this. Now you have to find whether E and F are mutually exclusive or not. तो mutually exclusive के लिए what you have to do, you have to find their intersection, and intersection is coming out to be 4 and not equal to empty. So therefore E and F are not mutually exclusive events. So events are said to be mutually exclusive if their intersection is empty. So in this case, they are not mutually exclusive because their intersection is not equal to empty. इसका intersection empty नहीं है. Question number 2, a die is rolled. तो sample space आपका हो गया 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now many events are described in these parts. In the first part, event A is a number less than 7. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6, नंबर लेस देन 7. बी इवेंट क्या गिवन है सेकंड पार्ट में, ग्रेटर देन 7, तो एम्प्टी हो गया. इन सी पार्ट सेट इट इज गिवन दैट द इवेंट इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 3, तो इट इज 3 6. इन द फोर्थ पार्ट द इवेंट डी इज अ नंबर लेस देन 4, तो 1 2 3 हो जाएगा. रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. In the fifth part, we have the event E, which is the even number greater than 4. तो even number greater than 4 6 है यहाँ पर. And F is the number not less than 3. 3 से कम ना हो, तो 3 4 5 6. So these are the event described in this question, and you have to find in these part A union B, you have to find A intersection B, you have to find, then you have to find B union C. ये parts हैं जो आपके find करने हैं. E intersection F, A intersection F पता करना है आपको. Then D intersection E you have to find. Then A minus C you have to find. Then D minus E you have to find. You have to find E intersection F complement, and you have to find F complements. This you have to find. Now what is F complement? तो those element which not in F but in the sample space. तो इसमें क्या नहीं है, 1 2 नहीं है. This is 1 2. ठीक है. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड ई इंटरसेक्शन एफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. तो इसमें और इसमें कॉमन लेना है, तो इसमें 6 है और इसमें, तो इसका एम्प्टी आ रहा है. दिस इज एम्प्टी. डी माइनस इज दोज इवेंट विच आर इन ए डी बट नॉट इन ई, तो डी माइनस ई, तो 1 2 3 ई आ गया. इट इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3. तो लाइक दिस यू कैन डू दिस ऑल पार्ट्स योरसेल्फ. इट इज वेरी वेरी इजी, जस्ट एज यू हैव डन इन द सेट्स. The main thing here is mutually exclusive events in this exercise and exhaustive. Mutually exclusive events are those which are if their intersection is empty, and if their union is equal to the sample space, then they are known as exhaustive events. So in question number 3, an event involves the rolling a pair of die and recording the numbers that is coming up. So sample space we know it for the pair of die, so 1 1 1 2 and so on, 1 6. Total 36 will be there. You know it, the sample space. आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से आता है. Now in the first part, the event A that the sum is greater than 8. वो event है जिनके sum greater than 8. Greater than means greater than 8 का sum का means वो event जिनका sum 9 10 11 12. तो 9 वाले ले लीजिए. 3 6 6 3 4 5 5 4, ये sum 9 हो गया. 10 ले लीजिए. 5 5 4 6 and 6 4. 11 ले लीजिए. 6 5 5 6 and 6 6. So these are the event containing where the sum of the faces is greater than 8. Now B is, what is B? 2 occurs on the either die. किसी भी die पर 2 आ जाए आपका. तो कितना आ जाएगा 1 2 आ जाएगा 2 3 2 आ जाएगा 2 2 वाला आई विल टेक इट लेटर 4 2 5 2 6 2 एंड 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 and 2 6. These are the events containing at least two on one of the die. Now what is C? C is the sum at least 7 and the multiple of कम से कम 7 और मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. तो मैक्सिमम सम 12 होता है, तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 में 9 और 12 वाले इवेंट्स आ जाएंगे. इनका सम 9 और 12 है सम ऑन द फेसेस पर. तो 9 वाला लीजिए 4 5 5 4 3 6 6 3 and 12 6 6. So these are the event C where the sum is at least 7 and the multiple of 3. तो you have to find which are mutually exclusive. इसमें पता करना है इसमें mutually exclusive कौन सा है. तो आप पहले क्या पता चलिए A इंटरसेक्शन B देख लीजिए, A इंटरसेक्शन C देख लीजिए, देन B इंटरसेक्शन C पेयर वाइज पता कर लीजिए. सो A इंटरसेक्शन B कुछ कॉमन आ रहा है, इसमें कुछ कॉमन 1 2 कॉमन नहीं है, 3 नहीं है, 4 2. इसमें सम 9 किस में आ रहा है, नहीं, इसमें एम्प्टी आ रहा है, इसमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. यू कैन टेक योर टाइम. ओके, तो दे आर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. B इंटरसेक्शन C, A इंटरसेक्शन C में ये कॉमन नहीं है, नॉट इक्वल टू एम्प्टी, तो नॉट, दे आर नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. एंड B इंटरसेक्शन C, इसमें कुछ कॉमन आ रहा है B और C में, देख लीजिए. तो इसमें either 2, yes they are empty आ रहा, तो yes they are mutually exclusive. तो you take your time to find whether they are mutually exclusive or not. How can you find mutually exclusive or not? You simply find their intersection. If it's coming out to be empty, they are mutually exclusive. Otherwise, they are not mutually exclusive. Okay, we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.